President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered a full investigation into the alleged Tanim Bala incident at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, stressing that such illegal schemes must not be tolerated. The palace on Monday strongly condemned the incident, saying it should never happen again. The palace further stated that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. will not allow anyone to fall victim to this modus operandi and that those responsible will be held accountable.
Yes, hindi po maganda kung ito po ay mauulit. So ito po talaga ay paiimbestigahan ng Pangulo at sa tulong na rin po ni DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon. Iimbestigahan po ito at kung ito may katotohanan, maaari po na nagsagawa nito ay maaari matanggal sa kanyang trabaho. So dapat po ang lahat ng, lalo-lalo na po, kung mga turista po, mga kapwa Pilipino natin, ang magiging biktima ng ganito, hindi po ito papayagan ng Pangulo. So may kailangan po managot kung mayroon dapat managot after thorough investigation.